Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the update on MultiversX. For the past several days, the price of MultiversX was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance since after the first week of December 2024, it was getting rejected. And you can see that we got rejection here, and few more rejections here. And finally, we have broken out this downtrend and resistance. And before that, we also tested this very long-term support zone as well. That starts from $22.36 and goes to $20.50. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a very strong long-term support zone that is coming from the month of August 2023. We got several touch points here. Then we broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Then we had a massive rally in the price and was rejected by this long-term resistance that is at $75. We got rejection here and rejection here. We found a double top here. Then we had a big drop. And recently we broke out this descending triangle. Then we had a nice pump and got rejected by this next long-term resistance of $55 and also found this downtrend line resistance as well that we have recently broken out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for TRX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of MultiversX. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks, since after the first week of December 2024, it was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And now finally, after testing this very long-term support zone that starts from $22.36 and goes to $20.50, price and geared up. You can see that for the past several days, it had been accumulated inside this support zone, then price and geared up and broke out this resistance. And now soon it can hit this next long-term resistance of $29 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $29 has been previously breaking as support here, resistance here, and before that here, it was breaking as a support for a few weeks. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance. By the way, here it was also breaking as a resistance for 1 week. You can see that we got rejection here. And after breaking out this $29, the next long-term resistance will be here at $40. And after breaking out this $40 resistance, it can again hit the next long-term resistance of $55. And that was the point from where recently the price was rejected after the breakout from this descending triangle as well. You can see that we got rejection here. And before that, this $55 has been breaking as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. And if the price breaks out this resistance, then another move is possible at this key resistance of $75, where the price informed a previous double top. We got rejection here and rejection here as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical targets, then the target for the breakout from this descending triangle, you can see that we also broke out this triangle as well. That target was here approximately at $58, and you can see that the pricing has almost hit that target because it was moved up to $58.25. But that was just a spike. The pricing could not break out this $55 resistance. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.